how was the day in the school?
Hey Janvi, not too good. The day was very tiring. You know Janvi, tomorrow we have a quiz at school.
Oh, nice! What's the quiz about?
The teacher will give us an object name and we need to describe it.
Akshit, have you heard of describing words?
No, Janvi. What are describing words?
Okay, let me explain. When we use some words to explain more about a naming word, these words are called describing words. For example, the rat is small, the elephant is big, and the flowers are beautiful. Here, small, big, and beautiful are describing words.
Oh, this is very interesting.
Akshit, look at this big teddy bear. It's so fluffy.
Yes, it's big and fluffy.
That's right. Big and fluffy are describing words. Akshit, look at this beautiful picture book. It's full of bright colors.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Yes, beautiful and bright, they tell us more about the picture book. Akshit, see the shiny red ball and tell me what is the describing word here?
I think it's red and shiny.
Yes, you're right, Akshit. Akshit, look at the tall mango tree. It is reaching for the sky.
Wow, it is tall. Tall is a describing word. It tells us more about the tree.
I think you now understand the describing words.
Yes, I am feeling confident. Let's go out and watch our favorite TV show.